Ginette Caron. I am a Canadian graphic designer. I really liked my experience. It was very rewarding. I've been teaching workshops all over the world, and I think this workshop was really enthusiastic.
So basically we got a brief and we had to package any coffee product we wanted.
It was nice also to make teams with French people and Indian people.
C'était génial, on a eu un peu de mal à communiquer, mais au final ça s'est super bien passé. Et puis en fait, on a fait des nouvelles rencontres, du coup je m'entends super bien avec eux, quoi. C'est cool, j'adore. C'est différent parce que la communication est différente, puis il y a une différence de style, une différence de façon de travailler. Et du coup, on a tous partagé et au final on a réussi à trouver des façons de faire différentes.
We had really good results, even though the students were very surprised of what they can achieve in 4 days.
Parce qu'il y avait vraiment de la réalisation derrière avec fait à la main, c'était pas juste sur l'ordi un PDF à rendre, donc je trouve ça super intéressant de faire quelque chose de ses mains, vraiment de la création pour de vrai.
Meeting new people always bring you some new insights.
Like the process that we started with, she guided us like first we need to find a problem in that. Like if we are solving a problem, then it's worth doing something around packaging.
It's funny how the students would tell me they would do a mock-up in a way, and then I would think with my Occidental habits, and then the mock-up would arrive with a surprise for me, with Indian thinking.
They have a very broad view about packaging, about every design aspect, which we don't get it here. Still, I didn't find the assignment like different. Just the difference was that we were working in groups, and I had a French girl with me and even a Lab 2 student. So we collaborated the different ideas, which we don't do it in the class.
Et donc le packaging, on se rend compte que c'est complètement différent suivant les pays. Aussi les différences entre les élèves, nos préférences, tout ça, et travailler en groupe, ça nous permet aussi de s'ouvrir à d'autres horizons, de s'adapter et de comprendre chaque avis pour aller plus loin.
I like to tell the people to take inspiration from their essence and not try to copy what they see on Instagram or something like this. So I think the most interesting are the ones which are really Mumbai-like and not like a copy of maybe international packaging.